Hello everyone, today we are gonna solve sort character by frequency problem. So in this problem, we have a string. Let's say the string is tree, and now what we have to do, we have to sort this string according to character frequency. So here if I see E have frequencies 2, I R have frequency 1 and T have frequency 1. So I will make my answer will be E and now I can choose any one of them like RT, or I can have EETR. So I have to return any one of them. Any one of them will be my answer. Okay. So how do we solve this problem? You can see what is the first thing. The first thing is we have to count. We have to count the frequency. So how do we generally count the frequency? Using map, using another map. So first of all, what we will do, our first thing is the first thing we will do, we will count the frequency. So count the frequency. So once we count the frequency, now the second thing is what is my second thing? So my second intuition will be in my unorder map or my map, my keys, this is sorted according to keys, but here I have to sort it according to values. So how do I sort it according to value? I can use a vector. And then apply sorting here. Okay. Or I can use priority queue. Which will sort my this. So what I can do either of things. The second thing is I have to sort the frequency. First thing is I have to count the frequencies of characters, and the second thing is I have to sort the frequency of character. Now once I have done this, I will have something like this in container or priority queue or vector. We can use any of them. Like how I can use that in vector, what I will do in vector, I will store it pairwise. Like I will store this, I have this E and this 2, so I can store it like E and this 2 is, first of all I will add 2 or E, or I can add anything. And in priority queue, first of all I will add this frequency and this E. And how do we add this E? This E will be E minus A, that is 5. So I hope you understand this, how we are doing this. So once we count the frequency and we sort the frequency, the last thing we have to do, I will iterate first of all the most frequent element. So most frequent element is here is E. So in my answer, let's say it is an empty string, so I will add E 2 times. So it will become EE. Now I will add 1, that is R, then I will add T. So finally this may be our answer. So what will the time and space complexity? So let's understand that thing while the coding part. So here we are using first of all another map, which will store this frequency, and here how we are storing it frequency. So once we store this is our step 1 is done. So we have count the frequency. Now once I have counted, now second thing is I have to sort the frequency. For that I am using this priority queue. So which priority queue it is? It is our max heap. Where our top element have the maximum frequency. So we have two types of heap, that is another I can discuss in the another video. So right now I'm using this max heap. So this will be like 2E. So first of all I am storing this frequency, and then I will storing that character. First of all I am storing this frequency and then its character. So now what I have to do, so this map will convert it into, this may be in random order, not in this sorted order. So this will be converted into 2E, 1 R, 1 T. This will be in this order. Now what I will do, and this is not in this order, this will be like pair. This is pair, not key value. So this is, I have something like this. So this is in my priority queue. Now what I will do, I will start my answer to an empty string, and now what I will do, until my priority queue is empty, I will swap its top element. So once I top this, so what I will do, I will make it first time. The first element is frequency. So its frequency is 2. So I will add 2 times I will add 2 times the second element. The second is this E, the element. So now after that I will pop its next element, and this will be 1 time R, 1 time R. Then I will pop this and 1 time T. So finally, once after popping this, my priority queue will be empty. Once my priority queue is empty, I will return my answer. So my answer will be this. Now, what will be our time complexity? What will be our time complexity? So if we analyze, this will take off, and because this is an order map which take off 1, so it will take off n, where n is the length of string, and this is also how much time it will take. It will take n log n. It will take n log n time for sorting and inserting into this. And how much time it will take? It will take, popping also take n log n time. Okay, log n time for pop an element from priority queue. So we are doing this n times, so we can say n log n. So finally our time complexity will be, using priority queue, will be n log n. And our space complexity, what will be our space complexity? So our space complexity for this, for using this unordered map, will be of n, and for this priority queue will also be of n. So we can say overall time space complexity is of n. I hope you understand the time complexity and the source code and the intuition part. If it helped you, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.